When I was in junior high school, my science and math teacher told us science was a difficult course to pursue, and that when your colleagues were playing, you had to stay by your books and learn. This led many of my classmates to choose other courses, leaving me and 3 other colleagues in a class of about 30 to pursue science in senior high and in the university. I said to myself, whether difficult or not, whether it would take me a long time to become a scientist or not, I would pursue it because engineering was my passion. What's up? Welcome to the Tech Hub. I am Aldo, and in this video, I am going to share with you how I became a tech enthusiast and how it led me to start a tech YouTube channel. In the early 2000s, Ghana Television (GTV) aired programs from German television station Deutsche Welle from 4 p.m. to about 6 p.m. every weekday. On some other days, another channel showed a program called Pimp My Ride, some 30 minutes before the broadcast from DW-TV. I stumbled upon a science program on DW-TV called the Knopfhoff Show. It was like a whole new world unfolded before my eyes. From mind-boggling experiments to awe-inspiring science exploration, I was hooked. Another program, Automotive und Sport TV, reviewed new brands of cars by automotive companies, their pros and cons, and why people should buy them. My adrenaline was heightened every time I watched, and dreamt of becoming an engineer who will build cars in the future. But to become one, mechanical engineering was the right path to choose. At least, that was what I thought. One day, something incredible happened that changed the course of my journey. In one episode of Pimp My Ride, a team of about 12 engineers who were experts in their field wanted to pimp a 1988 Daihatsu Hijet by disassembling the parts and rebuilding it by hand. They completed the rebuild in about 12 days. Immediately after that program, an episode of Automotive und Sport TV showing an automotive company's production line was aired, and my jaw dropped, watching in shock as to how robots just literally picked engines and placed them in the chassis of empty car frames with ease, how bolts and nuts were installed at lightning bolt speed, and how they moved from one assembling station to another, and in a day, several cars were produced, had my engineering DNA rewired. That moment was a game changer. It ignited a passion for all things robotics and electronics in me, that I decided not to be that so-called mechanical engineer who asks other colleagues to help lift an engine into a car. Not only that, but also to count 1 to 3 just to gather momentum before lifting it, but become that engineer who builds robotic arms to assemble cars within the shortest possible time. So, from the ups and downs which will be shared in subsequent videos till now, I decided to start this YouTube channel, where I could dive deep into the world of tech, explore its wonders, and share my discoveries with all who watch this channel. If you are as curious and passionate about science and tech as I am, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. As I bring this intro video to a close, I want you to know that
destiny is a funny thing. You never know how things are going to work out, but if you keep an open mind and an open heart, I promise you will find your own destiny someday.
Thanks for tuning in. Until the next one, this is the Tech Hub. I am Aldo. Bye for now.